Hey guys, how you doing? I hope you are doing well. This is LG Soundbar SQC1 Soundbar 2.1 wireless compact soundbar. It's 160 watt soundbar, auto sound engine, dynamic range control, Dolby Digital, standard and bass blast. This is the remote control. The remote control is using AAA battery, and the soundbar and wireless subwoofer, once you switch it on, it will connect automatically. The soundbar and the subwoofer will connect. Okay, and this soundbar, in terms of the input, you got optical and the aux in and USB. So you can connect this soundbar. Check my video. We connected this soundbar and stream music using mobile device. What I want to do is to show you how to connect this soundbar to your laptop and play music with it. But before we do that, just gonna measure this soundbar from this end to here, 66 centimeter, and from here is 10 centimeter, the weight. Okay, and the subwoofer from this end is 17.5. From the bottom to the top is 30 centimeter. Now to connect this soundbar is Bluetooth ready. So once you switch it on, you just need to wait. You don't need to look for Bluetooth. Once you switch it on, the Bluetooth will be ready and waiting for you to add for available device. If you want to connect it to optical, then you need to select optical. Okay, if it's Bluetooth, then you need to, once you switch it on, you select optical or Bluetooth and alternate it. You can see now it's in Bluetooth. So we need to look for available device. Go to the computer settings. Now go to Bluetooth and devices. When you select Bluetooth and devices, you need to switch the Bluetooth on. So you need to add a device. Okay, once you add a device, then you need to scroll down and search for available device. Okay, and you can see LG SQC1 is available. Audio, select on it and it's connecting. Now it's connected. Okay, select done. Now, so this soundbar is connected to Bluetooth. We're going to test the audio. Okay, so we're going to test this audio using Epidemic Sound. I use Epidemic Sound. I'm going to put up a link how you can get Epidemic Sound. So if you have audio in your computer, then you use the audio. So, but I'm going to use the Epidemic Sound. Okay, and this is Epidemic Sound. So we go to any particular music you want to use. For instance, this is high intensity training. Select on it. Okay, and select player. So this is the audio. Then increase the volume. This is the standard. Okay, this is the standard. And this is bass blast. This is bass blast. So this is how to connect this to your laptop. You can increase the subwoofer volume. Thank you very much indeed, guys. This is the audio test for this soundbar. It's beautiful soundbar with bass blast. Can hook this up via Bluetooth, optical, USB. This soundbar deserves your attention. Thank you very much indeed. Like, share, and subscribe. Peace.